Change in the weather has already done some damage in our area, including a powerful wind gust that toppled a canopy at a gas station. Megan Schiller is keeping an eye on conditions this morning, and we can see that damage behind you, Megan. Just impressive.
One man was pumping his gas. He narrowly escaped being crushed by this canopy. And from this angle, you can see the pillar came down and crushed down the bed of that pickup truck. It also crashed on a car that was parked behind. Both of these were here just to get some gas at the Sunoco gas station in Monroeville when a 50+ mile-an-hour wind gust lifted the canopy up, lifted the pillars, and tossed it over, and also pushed a couple of the fuel pumps that are further down the way, completely crushed them over. There were some quick thinking employees that saw this happen from inside the convenience store that's just a few feet away. They managed to cut the power to the pumps, so thankfully no fuel was leaked and this didn't become an even bigger problem. We recorded wind gusts all across our viewing area yesterday that were quite impressive. McKeesport saw a 57 mile-an-hour wind gust. Bethel Park clocked in at 39 miles an hour. The airport saw 53. And also up in Ambridge, we saw 41 miles an hour. Out here this morning, it is snowing. It is blowing sideways right now. And the good news is that we will only see wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour, still pretty fierce. So thankfully and miraculously, no one was injured here. They do say cleanup will likely begin today, but it looks like this gas station here will be closed for the time being. We're live in Monroeville. Megan Schiller, KDKA News on Pittsburgh CW.